Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video it's gonna be a tutorial about iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how to customize the focus or our own focus on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, you need to jump into the settings just by click it, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found a focus settings, and then you just need to go click it. And whenever you are already in the focus part, you just need to jump into this plus button on the right upper corner here to create or customize the new one. And after that, you just need to choose the recommendation from the iPhone, or you can also choose or custom by yourself by click this one. And now you can adjusting the color that you want for the symbols, as well as you can also adjusting the icon that you want to have. So for example, I think I will let you go with this time. And after that, we just need to type the name of our focus. So I will let to type a break time. And after that, you just need to go click return and go click next. And now you just need to type or to click customize focused. You can decide the application that you want to have or operate whenever you are in a break time. You can remove several applications by just removing this checklist button over here. And whenever you're done choosing it, you just need to go click done. And don't forget to make sure that this checklist button is coming into the allow notification form. You can also choosing the people who can send you or receiving a message. And whenever you're done with everything, you just need to go click next. Now you can choose calls to allow. You can choose everybody since it's in the break time, or you can also choose the allow people only, or the choose someone that you already chose before. And after that, you just need to go click done. And now you already create your own focus with it, which is the break time. You can also edit anytime you want by go click this edit part. So that's the way how to customize your own focus on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.